Hey there, everybody. I just got this Speed 60 waterproof action camera. This thing will take 4K video at 60 frames per second. It can take photos at 52 megapixels. The camera itself is waterproof up to 33 feet. It has 8 times zoom. It can observe 170 degrees. This thing has a built-in microphone and speaker, and it also can support external microphones and speakers. All right, so let's open this thing up and check it out. All right, you got a quick start guide. It comes with your user manual. Here's the camera itself. It's got a nice sturdy case on it. It's got a great seal. This thing is really thick. And then it has its mounting bracket. It's got a clear display from the front view and a clear display of the back view. You've got 2 buttons here. You got your power button and your start recording button. To open it up, all you have to do is flip this hinge and it's going to release the back. And so it's got this really nice thick seal here. It goes all the way around. And so this is going to allow it to go to a depth of 131 feet. And then that's all you have to do to close it. And now it's sealed in there. All right, here's the camera itself. This camera has a dual screen setup, a 2.35-inch touchscreen on the back, and a 1.4-inch screen on the front. Perfect for regular shooting and selfies. All right, now let's see what else it comes with. It comes with 2 batteries, so you'll have your main battery and a backup battery, and a nice case to carry them in. And it's a charging house, so you can plug your USB port in here, charge it, and then take your batteries out whenever you need them. All right, this comes with a bunch of attachment units, so you can mount this easily. And if you don't want it in its waterproof case, you can use this mounting bracket, and it just slides up. Put your camera in. Now it's got its own case, and you'll be able to use the touch screen this way, whereas with this case, you're not able to use the touch screen. It also comes with a remote control. I'm really impressed with all the different attachments that it comes with, different methods of securing it to whatever you might need. So once you turn it on, it's going to prompt you to download the app for your cell phone. It gives you a QR code. You can do that. And then it gives you kind of some instructions. You can select your video mode, and you can select your different customizations. And so if you wanted 4K with 60 frames per second, you could do that. Or you could do 2K, 1080p, 720p. You could do video loop. You could do slow-mo, take photos. You could do a photo time lapse, burst mode where it's going to take several photos all at once, and then record and take photos, and car mode. All right, so the camera does come with a remote control. And so if you wanted to start recording, all you have to do is press this button, and now it's recording. If you wanted to take a photo, it'll take a photo. Now, when you take a photo, it is going to stop the recording. And so just be aware of that. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Speed 60 underwater camera. It's got everything I need to capture high quality footage, whether I'm on land or underwater. And I really like how responsive the screen is. I was really impressed with that. So if you're looking for a versatile and durable action camera, this one is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend it.